Using a breastfeeding pump for the first time can feel overwhelming, but avoiding common beginner mistakes can make the process smoother and more comfortable. Here are some tips to help you get started on the right track. 1. Skipping proper sizing. One of the most common errors is using the wrong flange size. An ill-fitting flange can cause discomfort or reduce milk output. Take time to measure and ensure a proper fit. 2. Not establishing a routine. Inconsistent pumping can affect milk supply. Try to mimic your baby's feeding schedule to maintain steady production. 3. Incorrect suction settings. Starting with high suction can cause pain. Begin with a low suction setting and gradually adjust to find a comfortable level. 4. Neglecting sterilization. Always clean and sterilize pump parts after use to prevent bacteria buildup and ensure your baby's safety. By addressing these common mistakes, you'll create a more efficient and stress-free pumping experience.